Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Amazing English vocabulary. How to grow your vocabulary with just one word. Run. Run is an action verb. Everyone knows what it means. But did you know that we can use the word run in many different ways? I'm going to show you some examples, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you about a very useful tool that can help you expand your vocabulary. First, we can use the word run in its most basic form, meaning to move very fast on foot. The children run on the playground. The girl ran away from the fierce dog. In both these sentences, we can clearly imagine what is happening. But what if I say, Bob is running? This sentence doesn't tell us much, so maybe I should say, Bob is running for exercise. That's better, yet I think we can improve it even more. How about Bob is jogging? That's perfect. Why is this sentence the best? Because it tells us what is happening very clearly without using too many words. Jog is a synonym for run. That means that both words have almost the same meaning. In English, we know that jog means running for exercise, usually at a slow pace. Let's explore more synonyms for run. Race. The word race usually is a noun, meaning a group of people in a running competition. So we often use race as a verb, meaning running very fast, usually to get somewhere. Examples. Mandy raced to the bus stop because the bus was about to leave. Paul raced home to eat his dinner and play video games. Run itself can have different meanings. We can use it to talk about a machine or computer that is doing something. Examples. I'm running the washing machine, so the clothes will be clean soon. My computer is very old. It is still running Windows 98. We can also use run as part of a prepositional phrase. There are many of these. We can run to the convenience store and get a drink. This means we can go there and come back quickly. Maybe we will run down to the supermarket, especially if we live in a tall building and we need to go down to go there. Or we might run out of rice, which means that we've been using it and now we don't have any more left. If we meet somebody unexpectedly, we can say we ran into them, as in, I ran into my old friend and we had a nice chat. These examples are just a few of the ways we can expand our vocabulary using just one word. But of course, you will need to find the synonyms. We use synonyms because they add variety to our writing or speaking without adding lots of extra words. So where can we find synonyms? On our phones, of course. Well, actually, you can find them in a thesaurus, which is a special dictionary just for synonyms. You can check online or find a good dictionary thesaurus app, because usually they go together. I suggest you try more than one source, because some are better than others. After you find the synonyms, you can check the meanings to see if they will work in your sentence. For more English learning videos, please be sure to like, subscribe, and most importantly, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.